These are the replacement air filters for the HATHASPACE air purifier. This is a 4-part filtration system with 2 separate filters that you put in front of each other like this. The first one is your carbon filter, and the front side has a pre-filter that helps attract the bigger particles like hair. On the back is your carbon filter that helps attach things like gases. The second filter has a pre-filter on the front, and the back is your HEPA filter, which helps to attach the smaller particles like dust and bacteria. I have my air purifier open here to show you how to install it. You will place the blue one in first, and as you can see, it says this side is forward, so it's really self-explanatory. So you just push that. And next you will put your gray one, again with the writing forward. And then you just close the 4 little clamps on the side and replace the cover. And the cover is really easy to go back into place. Just line it up and snap it on, and there you go. That is the filters for the HATHASPACE air purifier HSP001. I would highly recommend these air filters and this air purifier.